Hello, welcome and namaskar. You're watching Spiritual Updates Worldwide. This is Idris and with me is
Ayushi. Now let's have a quick look at the headlines.
Dr. Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji commenced a new wonderful program Annadana Seva on August 7 at PSSM Akshay Patra Annadanam Trust office in Old Bowenpalli.
The new office of the Pyramid Spiritual Trust was inaugurated on 7th August, Saturday evening in the gracious presence of Patriji.
On August 10 in Srivar Pyramid located in Budera, Gurgaon, Patriji conducted a wonderful meditation session. Also, Hindi version of the book Messages from 40 Masters by C. Aruna was released by Patriji.
After Olympic medal, PV Sindhu says meditation has changed her life, urges everyone to try it. Renowned Olympic disc thrower Kamalpreet Kaur believes and feels that there is a wide variety of nutrients in the vegetarian zone through which any sports person can fulfill the protein requirements of their body.
On August 6, 2021, Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly member from Nagri constituency, Roja, visited Parvati Parmeshwara Merkaba Crystal Pyramid of Nagri in Chittor district along with her husband Silvamani. She spoke about the importance of meditation. She said that one can easily find out from seeing the face of a person whether one meditates or not. She further said that the faces of meditators emanate a vibration of peace.
మెడిటేషన్ అనేది చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు పెద్ద పెద్ద వాళ్ళు సక్సెస్ఫుల్ వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తారు అనేది 100% నిజం. జగన్ సార్ కానివ్వండి, మోడీ సార్ కానివ్వండి, ఎవరైనా కూడా. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకున్న బిజీ లైఫ్లో, వాళ్ళకున్న టెన్షన్స్లో, వాళ్ళకున్న హెక్టిక్ వర్క్లో వాళ్ళు కనుక మెడిటేషన్ చేయకపోతే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ కనుక క్రియేట్ అయిందంటే మెడిటేషన్ అనేది చాలా కష్టం. అండ్ ఎవరైతే మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళ మొహాలు చూస్తేనే అర్థమవుతాయి. చూడండి ఎంతో ప్రశాంతంగా ఉంటాయి, సంతోషంగా ఉంటాయి. సో ప్లేస్ కోసం అడిగినప్పుడు మా హస్బెండ్ ఫుల్ సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చి ప్లేస్ని.
Patriji commenced a new wonderful program Annadana Seva on August 7th at PSSM Akshay Patra Annadanam Trust office in Old Bowenpalli, Hyderabad. On this occasion, Patriji stated that Annadana Seva should be done as a worldwide program. Patriji also said that PSSM is widely spread throughout the world. In countries like Dubai, Pakistan, China, Africa and America, the meditation programs are going on well.
అనేది ఒక గొప్ప కాన్సెప్ట్, రిసోర్స్ జనరేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫర్ ద ఓవరాల్ వెల్ఫేర్ ఆఫ్ ద హోల్ మూమెంట్. మన పిఎస్ఎస్ఎం చాలా చాలా పెద్ద కుటుంబం. ఈ పెద్ద కుటుంబానికి చాలా అవసరాలు ఉంటాయి, రోజువారీ అవసరాలు ఉంటాయి. దానికి ఎన్నో వ్యవస్థలు కావాలి. ఎన్నో వ్యవస్థలు ఉన్నాయి. మరొక వ్యవస్థ పెట్టాము అక్షయపాత్ర అని చెప్పేసి.
The new office of Pyramid Spiritual Trust was inaugurated on 7th August, that Saturday evening, in the gracious presence of Patriji. This program started with meditation. On this occasion, trustees, associate trustees and PMC Managing Director Dhanaratna, Mr. Nanda Prasad shared the planning and vision of Dr. Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji.
ధ్యానం సర్వరోగ నివారిణి, ధ్యానం సకల భోగకారిణి, ధ్యానం సత్య జ్ఞాన ప్రసాదిని, ధ్యానం సర్వశక్తి ప్రదాయిని. ధ్యానము వల్లనే జ్ఞానం, ధ్యానము వల్లనే ఆనందం, ధ్యానము వల్లనే భాగ్యం, ధ్యానము వల్లనే మహాభాగ్యం.
ట్రస్ట్ ఆఫీస్ మొత్తం మా బాబే మహేష్ మొత్తం అన్ని చూసి ఫర్నిచరు అన్నీ అరేంజ్ చేశారు.
మహేశ్వర మహాపిరమిడ్ అక్కడ చుట్టూ జరిగే వర్క్స్ ఎట్లా జరుగుతున్నాయి ఏంటి అనేది ఒకసారి చూడండి అందరూ.
దేశ విదేశాల నుంచి అనేక మంది ప్రతినిధులు కైలాసపేట క్షేత్రాన్ని సందర్శించడం.
పిరమిడే కాదు, పిరమిడ్ చుట్టూ బాగుండాలి, అప్పుడే దాని అందం కనపడుతుంది.
30 సంవత్సరాల ముందు మీరు ఊహించుంటారా సార్ ఎంత కష్టపడ్డారో, ఎంత సాక్రిఫైస్ చేశారో, ఎవరి కోసం? మన అందరి కోసం. మనం బాగుండాలని, ప్రతి చోట ధ్యానం వెళ్ళాలని.
పత్రికారితో 98లో ఒక చిన్న క్లాస్కి అటెండ్ అయినాను. అప్పుడు సికింద్రాబాద్లో 20 మంది కూడా లేరు. ఇప్పుడు కోట్ల మంది ఉన్నారంటే ఇంకా ఇదే ఒక ఉద్యమం. అదే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మనం.
Pyramid Spiritual Meditators Meet was conducted recently under the guidance of Patriji at Hotel Taj Mahal in Narangoda, Hyderabad. On this occasion, Patriji released the book Sitayanam, translated in Marathi by Solapur and Pune masters.
On 9th August, Patriji graced the live program Satya Somvar on PMC Hindi channel. The program started with a beautiful meditation. Mr. Harish gave overall information about PSSM and pyramids in Odisha. Also, Neelamji shared the update about the upcoming Jagannath pyramid. Patriji, while speaking to the masters, wonderfully explained that meditation makes us healthy. It is karma that plays a very important role in our life and health. Meditation is good karma and killing or eating animals is bad karma. Patriji questioned Orissa dwellers about eating non-veg in Jagannath's land.
यस बाबा, ध्यान के माध्यम से ही हम तन की तंदुरुस्ती पाते हैं. नो डॉक्टर, नो मेडिसिन, नो हॉस्पिटल, नो सर्जरी.
जी बाबा.
अपने कुकर्म के कारण हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं और सुकर्म के द्वारा हम स्वस्थ बन जाते हैं. यही तो राज है. अपने किए हुए कुकर्म के द्वारा हम बीमार पड़ते हैं, रोगी बन जाते हैं, और सुकर्म के द्वारा हम योगी बन जाते हैं.
We have 29 pyramids in Odisha.
Yes, Baba.
Yes, sir.
वो मेगा पिरामिड के बारे में बोलना चाह रही हूँ सर, थोड़ा सा.
प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज.
सर वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द अलॉटमेंट लेटर. वो गवर्नमेंट से हमारे पास अलॉटमेंट लेटर आ जाए, उसके बाद भी we'll start with the work.
On August 10, in Srivar Pyramid located in Budhera, Gurgaon, Delhi, Patriji conducted a wonderful meditation session. A wonderful get-together was held wherein the Hindi version of the book Messages from 40 Masters, written by C. Aruna, was released by Patriji. The Hindi version is translated by Aparna Deshpande from Mumbai. This book release was followed by a wonderful meditation on the beautiful tunes of Ustad Bismillah Khan as directed by Patriji.
On August 10, Patriji graced the live program Enlightenment Hour, which was aired on various channels of PMC. Patriji, in this episode, recommended books like The Luminous Landscape of the Afterlife, Anapanasati Meditation by Asha Gupta, and Meditation by Harish Malik. Patriji also shared some powerful messages. Now let's take a look at the excerpts of the video.
The soul is forever. The soul is always lives in dissatisfaction. The soul always seeks satisfaction. We are rest assured in that golden futurehood for everybody. Because you may be in confusion today, but when you die, you are out of confusion. You are in your own beautiful soul nature. Analyze anybody's deeds. Only analyze everybody's words. You can't analyze anybody's thoughts. But words are there. Words are the field, the great field of spirituality.
On August 9, Patriji graced a mega event at Sri Satya International Center at Lodi Road, located in the capital of India, Delhi. This event was organized by all the Delhi masters. People from North India travelled to meet Patriji and meditated with the tunes of Patriji's flute music. All the Delhi masters shared their experiences, while Patriji introduced the book Anapanasati Meditation, written by Asha Gupta, to the audience present at the event.
अपने सीनियर मोस्ट मास्टर श्री मैडम जी आशा गुप्ता जी, उनके लिए जोरदार से तालियां बजाएंगे. उनका बुक है आनापानसति मेडिटेशन. स्वामी जी से हम इसका विमोचन करवाएंगे. जोरदार से तालियां बजाएं.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
ओपन करो. This is a textbook on Anapanasati meditation.
Parinita Patri and Shemavati presents Swag, Save Water and Go Green, a global initiative by Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. Swag is all about saving water, adopting plant-based food and planting trees. Swag has come with a wonderful social connect for the age group of 7 to 15 years of children, wherein every Sunday between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. IST, the kids can participate in various activities for awareness.
Now moving ahead with other updates, Olympic bronze medal winner and badminton champion PV Sindhu has credited meditation for her ability to face difficult situations during matches. Sindhu said that meditation helps calm her mind and understand her emotions. Participating in an event at the Heartfulness Institute to celebrate India's performance at the Tokyo Olympics, Sindhu clarified that there is nothing like a magic pill for success. People also wonder whether meditation leads to success. I want to convey that meditation is not a magic pill for success, but it brings clarity within your mind and heart. For me, it calms my mind and helps me understand my emotions better. It also helps me plan my next steps, especially during stressful situations like the pandemic. Meditation helps maintain calmness.
Say one thing that, please try doing meditation every single day, not only to the people here, to the whole world. I would just want to say that yes, it is very important, and it's not about success or failure, it's just about how you are feeling inside yourself and like what changes you after you start doing meditation. I think that is very important, and you will immediately notice when you start doing meditation that you will understand what's going on in your mind, in your heart, and things will definitely change. And I'm sure, because I have been in it, I have gone through it, and I must say that yes, my life has changed a lot after doing this meditation. And
to celebrate the India's performance at the Tokyo Olympic and launch a nationwide environmental initiative, Forests by Heartfulness. The Heartfulness Institute organized an evening coinciding with Olympian and badminton world champion PV Sindhu's visit to the institute. The initiative will see the planting of 7 lakh trees to mark the 7 medals won by India near the Yatra Garden at Heartfulness Global Meditation Center, Kanha Shantivanam, Hyderabad.
As we observe World Lion Day on August 10, there couldn't be a better way to raise awareness about conservation and sustainable solutions to save the global wild lion population, which has now reduced to only about 20,000. The population of wild lions saw a catastrophic decline across the world, except for Africa, but the good news is that the mighty lions have found a natural home in India. Renowned disc thrower Kamalpreet Kaur travels for many competitions abroad, but if there is one thing she finds difficult in those trips, it is finding her kind of food. As she described, they put eggs in everything. Kaur recently finished 6th in the women's disc throw finals with a best throw of 63.70 meters, which is the best by an Indian woman in the final of a disc throw at the Olympics. Kamalpreet put up a noteworthy performance even though she couldn't match her personal best of 65.06 meters, which had helped her qualify for the Tokyo Olympics Games. We have often heard that non-vegetarian food might be required for athletes to maintain good protein levels. However, Kamalpreet does not agree with the perception and feels there is a wide variety of things in the vegetarian zone through which one can fulfill the protein requirements of the body. Kamalpreet's general diet is as desi as it could be: grams, pulses, beans, various boiled vegetables and roti sabzi. She adds vegan supplements to that to have a solid overall diet.
Well, that was a wrap of this bulletin. This is Idris signing off along with my colleague
Ayushi. Keep watching PMC English for more updates.
Like, subscribe and share this video. Also, don't forget to visit www.pmcenglish.com.